before I answer the question why you shouldn't stop doing search engine optimization, let me just kind of define what search engine optimization or SEO is. Basically, SEO is the process of optimizing a website for search engines to find your site easily, right? That's the basic explanation that I can provide. But before you can understand why it's important that you continue to optimize your site on a consistent basis, you need to understand there's over 8.5 billion searches that happens in Google every single day. And the statistics shows about 30% of those searches are terms that have never been searched before, which means there's billions of searches that are happening on Google every day. The fact of the matter is your prospective customers are on Google looking for answers to their problems and how to solve those problems. And if they're not finding the answers, then you're doing a disservice to your customers by not answering those questions. So first and foremost, you can never run out of ideas in terms of the kind of content you could be creating to answer the questions of your customers. So that's one reason why you should never stop creating content and optimizing your website for those terms that you rank in naturally for those questions. Second thing is, we all know how fast the technology is enhancing and advancing every day, right? We're getting inundated with a new tech gadget, whether it be a new iPhone or a new Android phone or a new connected devices. All of those have very stringent and strict guidelines on what kind of software that can run on it, what kind of requirements are there on those platforms in order to access the internet or access the browser. So as the devices are changing, so are these browsers, and so are the requirements for search engines like Google and their requirements of what makes a good website. Because at the end of the day, what all these platforms care most about is the experience of their users. So if your website isn't providing the best user experience possible, your customers are not going to find the kind of experience that they were looking for. So at the end of the day, Google, the search engines, the devices will penalize you in some way by discrediting your site or not displaying the websites in Google results or in search engines, and making it difficult for your prospective customers to find you. So your goal as a marketer, as a business leader, is to make sure that your website is conducive for all the different platforms out there, and also meeting all the guidelines that are set out by search engines and other device companies. Those are two primary reasons I would give why someone should just not stop doing search engine optimization to their website.